Baby, here we go. Hey. Baby, you look so good tonight. Baby, if you were a picture, I'd be content to just be a caption. You on display is my distraction, 'cause you're a work of art, and I can't wait to start me and your friend tonight. If you were a movie, I wanna be the plot that's written up. Camera filming.
Hey y'all, so I just did all my skincare. I woke up at like 7 and I went back to sleep. So right now it's 8:32. I was just so tired. Like I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it, especially because yesterday was graduation. So I was just partying a lot, out late, at a time. I wanted to film this video because I wanted to challenge myself to actually wake up early, because I still had stuff to do regardless of the partying and whatever. In today's video, we are going to be productive. This is my productive morning routine. I'm about to be showing y'all now that school is out what I'm doing to keep myself productive and to keep myself on track. So y'all about to come on with me. So I already did my skincare and brushed my teeth and stuff. Usually when I first wake up, I scroll on my phone, so started off good. I still have to pray and stuff, but after I wake up, before I eat breakfast, I take an hour walk. I know if y'all watched my last productive video, I told y'all how I take these hour walks. I go on a walk for like an hour. My friend introduced it to me. Like, she was like 30 minutes once, 45 minutes another time, but I just like to go the whole hour. Sometimes it be feeling long, but other times it don't. It feels just really good, and it's very therapeutic. So oh my gosh, and I left my headphones, so this walk is really gonna be long today. I don't even know if I want to go on a walk. That's how addicted I am to music, because I don't have my headphones. I don't know where they are. I'm about to go on my walk. I'm just gonna wear this because it's just a flowy dress. It keeps me cool. So I'm gonna take off the robe. I'm gonna take y'all on the walk with me, and then when I come back, I'm probably gonna like drink some water, take a shower, and then continue on with my day. But let's just go on a walk because that's just what we're focused on right now. Okay, y'all, so usually I have my music in, I'm listening to something, just vibing, but I'm gonna just talk to y'all because I don't have my headphones. I left them in the car. One, oh my gosh, let me wipe the camera. Two, I just feel like talking to y'all. Graduation was yesterday. It was so much fun. Like, I just can't believe I graduated high school. Like, I'm just so glad, so happy to be graduated. It feels so good, like a weight is off my shoulders. Everything just seems brighter and happier now that I'm not in high school anymore. And I had a fun time in high school. Like, I really enjoyed my life in high school, like, since I got up in there. Even when I was on the computer, because my class 2024, we had one full year of like virtual school. Even freshman year, I had a blast. And I was in the house. But yeah, that just goes to show high school is really what you make it. And I'm glad, even really sad that it's over. But yeah.
Got a phone that takes my phone and it don't reply. And they say boss that you are. Oh, they're medicine man. Yeah. Worried about nobody else. But ain't you all on myself. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Was a king, babe, without a queen. There ain't no hiding thing. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Get the guys out the car, it won't drive. So I feel when you're not by my side. So I wake up in the morning and up under you, and only you. Grateful for your existence. Faithful no matter the distance. You're the only.
Y'all, so I'm back from my walk. I didn't even drink my water, so I'm just gonna drink it while I'm here. I can see my face all shiny and stuff. Hey y'all, my Shein package came, so we about to open it up. I'm probably gonna do a haul like later, but I just want to see what exactly came. Let's just see. Everything I got, I made sure that it was colorful since we are in the summertime and these are gonna be summer clothes. I don't know if I want to try them on for the video or save them, cause I don't know, I might try them off camera or whatever. I fake see this one thing that I got, this Lulu dupe. I want to see what the texture is like. Ooh, it really does look like a Lulu dupe. Okay. I guess this is turning into a mini haul. I don't even remember getting none of the stuff, so except for a couple stuff. But I got this top. Y'all know me. I love me a little top with a design that's kind of see-through. I thought this would be see-through, but it's not. I'm excited for this yellow one because I remember ordering this. Ooh. This is gonna be cute. It's like this little yellow romper or whatever. Yellow looks so good on me, so I'm excited to wear this. And then this lime green whatever. Ooh, it's a two-piece. I don't even remember ordering this, so I don't. Is this a bottom? Like a skirt. But yeah, yo, that was the mini Shein haul. Y'all not gonna see all the pieces because y'all don't need to see all the pieces. I'm about to go study actually. So I usually study for like an hour. I haven't studied for 2 hours yet, but I studied for like an hour 30. I'm probably gonna study for an hour and 30 today. I'm studying for a test and I'm gonna pass the test. You know, you always gotta study to make sure that, you know, it's 100% secure. So I'm gonna study for a little bit and then after that, we're gonna clean my room up.
You know you better watch out. Some girls are only about some guys are only that thing. Oh, we're trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is, but way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. You did this one thing, you know it's so with it. It's this one thing you did. Hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep picking on myself? Memories just keep ringing bells. Hear voices I don't wanna understand. My heels are clicking towards the door. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. This one.
Okay everyone, so I just cleaned my room as you guys seen. It was literally so dirty. I feel like my room, it don't be getting like food dirty ever because that's gross to me, but it do be getting clothes dirty very often. Like my clothes just be everywhere sometimes and it gets really hard to keep up with. Now that it's summertime and I don't have school anymore and I'm not out all the time, that's literally gonna stop because I'm gonna be in my room all the time. When we had school, I would hardly ever be in my room, only when it was time to sleep. And on the weekends, I would go to work, be tired. I would not want to clean nothing. Only on certain days, I would want to clean. But I'm glad I cleaned my room up. So now I'm really kind of like hot and sweaty. I wanted to clean my bathroom sink too, get it all done. But I'm kind of tired. I don't know if I should. I probably will clean my bathroom sink too because that right there, there's a reason why this is a productive morning routine. Because if I was not filming this video, I don't know, I would have made my little sister clean it. But that's just life. I'm about to go clean it. So, yeah. Some freeze-dried Skittles right now. These are actually good, but as y'all can see, this is exactly what we're working with. I'm about to clean this up and get it looking straight.
Kissing in the blue everything like what you wanna do. That thing I had been.
Okay everyone, so my room is clean and my bathroom is clean. So now I'm about to take a shower because I'm honestly really worn out, and sometimes when you do be cleaning you be sweating, and that's kind of what happened to me. So I'm about to go take my shower and I'm gonna show you guys what products I use in the shower for today because I always like to switch it up. So come on. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Truly Beauty Moon Rocks Roaches and Lunaries body scrub. I got this from my cousin and she said something cute and aesthetic for your videos. So I'm gonna use it in the shower today. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Look how vibrant that looks. So I'm about to use that today. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the Native Cucumber and Mint body wash. I kind of switch it up. I have too many body washes right now, so I'm kind of just trying to use all of them at different times because it takes me a while to run through a body wash because I like to get every freaking inch. But we're gonna try this one today. I don't know what's been going on, but I've been obsessed with this brand recently. Nothing bad better not come out about this brand because, and man, hold on y'all. One, I have this too. Y'all, my cousin, she wants to hold the stuff. But I have these. And then I also have this one as well. So it's a whole little collection.
Ooh, what is this? What is that?
Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna use one of these. I just don't know which one yet. It's more the little. I should use this one? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so for the outfit, I'm gonna wear this West Coast shirt. It's a crop top. I'm just gonna wear this because I'm gonna be staying at home today. And then I have these shorts because I'm gonna be staying at home and I don't feel the need to wear leggings. So I'm about to put this on real quick. And I'm gonna use this Coco Divine moisturizer to rub on my body. Okay guys, so now I'm about to quickly like do my hair because the lace is most definitely lacing and I kind of just want to look good to start my day. My lashes are literally irritating me right now and I don't even know why it's doing that. Like, the vision is there, I just need my lace to melt, which I'm about to do.
And it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Baby, here we go.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. You guys watch me get ready for the day. Y'all watch me be productive. And now I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day. So thank you guys for watching. It's currently 3:48 right now. So I think I did do everything in good timing because at least for the first 8 hours of my day was very much productive. And now I can just chill, hang out with my friends. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I'm probably gonna eat something. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.